Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guide channel. In this video we will learn something different, something new. Okay, here is the data. Here what you can see, if I make any changes you will see the color of the column will change itself, like D and F is in the red color, and also it is highlighted here. So if I remove this name, as I put example my name, you will see this column will be highlighted. How we can do that and what is the use of this? Okay, see, if I put my name, now it's highlighted, and here the color is changed for the C. If I put this number as any other number, it will change as well, and the B is changed. Okay, so to know this, it's very simple. Any sheet whichever you have, you select any range whichever you want. So this is goes here in review tab. Go to review tab and go to the last function called track changes. When you click on track changes, you have an option of highlighted changes. So here you tick this if you want to see changes while editing. This also shares your workbook. So when you want to see the changes, since I last save all or not yet review, or if any particular date you want to check. Next you have option here whose changes you want to see, or except yourself. If you want to see anyone else made changes in any worksheet which is shared, you can simply select everyone but me. So whatever the changes you will make, you will not be it will not be highlighted, but anyone else make the changes in your sheet will be highlighted. And where, that is where you select the range or the data, whichever the place you want. So in this area, whoever or will make change or whatever the changes will be made once you save this sheet, it will be highlighted itself as it you have seen here. So highlight changes on the screen. If you select this, it will show itself. If not, it will not show. And list changes to the new sheet. If you want all the changes to be listed on a new sheet, you can select this and click OK. So we click OK. Now if I make any change here also, it will be highlighted the same way. See. Okay, another thing regarding sharing your workbook. If you want to share your workbook, you can simply click here, allow changes more than one user. If you want your more than one user can use your sheet in the same time, then you always tick this. Otherwise untick if you don't want. If you don't want more than one person can use your workbook at the same time. So simply allow, so many people can work at the same time. The editing will be merged. And if you go to advanced function, if you want to track changes, you have keep the history for how many days history you want to keep the changes of. 10 days, 1 day, 5 days, and if you don't want to keep any history, you can simply select this. And update changes when the file is saved, there is the option. So or else automatically every 5 minutes, 2 minutes, if anyone making changes, so it saves automatically. Save my changes and save others changes also, see others changes. So this basically will enable automatically if you choose automatic, and just see other users changes. If you don't want to see your changes highlighted, you can select here and choose any date, any time frame you want. Conflict changes between users. Ask me which changes when. The changes being saved when. It also includes the printer setting and filter setting. So if you remove them or untick them, basically you won't see anyone's filter or the print setting, whatever they have done. But if you tick them, you will see also in the view whatever the printed setting they have changed, or any filter they have put in the data. So simply click OK. So for that I would require another user, since I don't have it, so I can't show you over here. But basically after that you can go here, accept and reject changes. Yes. So again it says which changes you want to accept or reject, which I have not yet viewed, or the came from everyone, and where the data, it's asking the range. So this is the range I have selected earlier, and click OK. You want to accept or you want to reject, so this is up to you. You reject all, so all the changes will be rejected, and if you want to accept all the changes, you can accept all the changes, whatever the changes been made there. This is simply about while we have data and you need to share it. So you can use these functions for track changes in order to understand if anyone is making changes. And also you can protect your worksheet before sharing with track changes. This prevents the change history from being removed. Basically, whatever the changes has been done, it will remain there, so you can retrieve them. As if you want to protect password, the rest password is just an optional. When you click OK, so whatever the changes, it will be tracked even after some time. Now unprotect. So this is very simple, but important things you can use these functions. So once I enabled again, you can see it's highlighted itself. If I make any change here, it's highlighted itself. You see. So this is how you share a worksheet, and these are the settings you need to enable in order to understand the changes of the sheet. That's it about this video. One more thing I want to share before you go: always check your spellings through review. Go to spelling, add all dictionary you can do if you wish to, or ignore all, or or you can change as per the suggestions. Change all. Now you are complete, you're good to go. So this is changed here, this one. Okay guys, that's it about this video. Hope you like the video.